So a little over a couple of weeks ago, I did a water test on the OnePlus 7T. I dunked this guy in water for over 30 minutes. And I said to you guys, after the test, I'd give you guys an update because let's face it, it could take weeks, it could take months for water to seep inside and do its damage. Well, here we are, 2.5 weeks later. The first thing I noticed was that water did get inside of this phone. I don't know if you guys can see on the bottom of the device, but there's some discoloration going along the bottom of the frame. That means water seeped in through the speakers and made its way to the bottom. The next thing I noticed was the cameras. Usually, sometimes you'll get lucky, this will dry up, but it's been 2.5 weeks and the cameras on the back of the device are still very foggy. Now, luckily, the front-facing camera has gone unscathed. There is no water damage in the front-facing camera. And overall, the inside of the phone seems to be dry. Now, when you turn on the phone, what the heck? Okay, this display was working perfectly before I started the review. Never mind, I can't even show you the display anymore. So what's happening right now is the display is flashing on and off. So I'm pushing the power button, quickly goes on, quickly goes off. That means the display has deteriorated from the water damage inside, and if I keep doing this, it's just gonna completely shut off. Oh, wait, there we go. We got functionality. All right, touch functionality is working. We can scroll right, we can scroll left, we can swipe up, we can swipe down. I'm just gonna take a picture for you guys to show you exactly what the back cameras look like. I don't know if you guys can't see this, but there is a lot of cloudiness baked into the camera. So this is your normal lens, this is your wide lens, and this is your telephoto lens. The next thing I want to test is call quality. So I'm going to call my wife and let's see if she can hear me okay.
Hello?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah?
Do I sound muffled?
No, you sound clear.
I sound clear. Like, do I sound like a voice, if you were like unconscious, a beautiful voice that you'd hear and you'd wake up to?
You mean if I'd want to wake up to this voice? No, absolutely not.
Okay, but at least it's clear, correct?
Yep.
Okay, you sound not so bad either. Have yourself a great day.
All right. You too.
Call quality, speaker is fine, which is weird because water did get in the speaker when I was doing the original water test, so that's kind of interesting. But overall, water damage has gotten into the device. And that's kind of unfortunate because the past two OnePlus devices, the 7 Pro, the 6T, have all been solid when it comes to being dunked into water. The 7 Pro survived 36 minutes without any water damage. In fact, I'm still using it today and it's running beautifully. But it looks like the 7T, or maybe specific to my device only, doesn't have the water protection that the previous devices had. Now I'm hoping one day OnePlus is gonna smarten up and properly design these phones to withstand the water, because let's face it, every flagship phone, even at the $600 price tag range, is IP67 or IP68 rated. Anyways, that wraps up this little update on the OnePlus 7T. Kind of disappointed it didn't survive. I can no longer review the device, which is also unfortunate because I actually do really love this phone. Like, for the price, this is probably one of the best phones you can get right now. And as always, like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Actually, it doesn't matter if I drop it because it's water damaged.